I just came back from a fabulous, delicious dinner. And I thought, wait, let me show you what's in my bag so you can see what I brought with me. I mean, I've had this bag all day. It's one of those bags you kind of can transition from day to night, which I love, by the way. And instead of me just taking my things out and putting my bag away like I normally do, I thought, let me show you what's in my bag. So if you want to see what's in my Chanel bag, then definitely stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulux, where I talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. All right, so for today's video, I wanted to show you what's in my Chanel bag. So I just got back from a fabulous, yes, 4-course dinner. And when I tell you all courses were so delicious, oh my gosh, I literally cleaned my plate of all 4. Telling like my waiter, excuse me, can you go get the chef? And they're like, okay, thinking like maybe I was gonna say something about the food, maybe bad. But no, the chef came and was like, yes, you wanted to talk to me? It's like, I just have to tell you that this food was so delicious. I mean, every course that I've had was delicious. Then, you know, extra little pepper or some salt. It was seasoned meticulously to the point where I was like, oh, thank you. He was like, thank you. I'm like, I feel like you should get this almost every night or every time someone eats your food, because I know I'm not the only one who's had this delicious food today. And yes, compliments to the chef. I told him in person and I'm so glad I did. I just think it's great to tell someone like they did such a wonderful job. I think sometimes maybe chefs, when they're working hard on something, they might think people might, you know, take it for granted or not really appreciative. I just want to let that person know, like, I am so appreciative of your delicious food. Definitely gonna go back again. But anyways, the point of the story is I've actually been out all day and I brought my Chanel bag with me, which was a great, you know, bag that you can wear in the daytime and then you can transition to nighttime, which is what I did. And I thought before I, you know, take off clothes, get in the shower and go to bed, because when I tell you right now, I have the itis and I could really want to go straight to bed, or at least just, you know, do my nighttime routine and go to bed. I didn't really want to film anything, but I really wanted to show you what is in my bag, what is in my Chanel bag, so you can kind of see what all fits in there. And just in case you're curious, like, what do I bring when I'm going somewhere from day to night? So let's get started and show you what is in my Chanel bag, my wallet on chain. This is what I brought with me. I had this today. I wear a crossbody most of the time because it fits great, but then you can like double it up at night, like double up the strap and wear it like a shorter strap, or you can tuck the strap inside the bag and just hold it as a clutch. So let me show you what I have so you can see in my Chanel bag. I'm gonna open it up now. Now the first thing are keys. Yes, I had my keys. I had to put it back in there because it was stored in my bag, but I had my keys. Also, what's in the bag is some lollipops from Trader Joe's, because I said I've had this from the daytime. So when I went to Trader Joe's to get a few items, I took some lollipops that they have for the kids, because it's for the kids or for those who are kids at heart, which is me. So I took 2 and I got the lemon and raspberry, my favorite flavors. I'm so sad that they don't sell these anymore, because they used to sell these in little clear buckets, like a little small bucket you can take home. But they do give it for free, again, to kids and kids at heart. So yeah, that's what's in my bag, these 2 delicious lollipops. I'm not gonna lie, I had another one, I already ate it, and I just like, well, I'll just take 2 more so I can have it for the road. And I have, this should not be a surprise if you've been on my channel, lip gloss. Yes, I got some lip gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss and just clear. So again, I'm trying to pare down to taking just 1 gloss, and I think that's what I did. Yeah, only have 1 gloss. Ooh, of course, I have my little coin purse or card purse, whatever you want to call it. A little key pouch, that's what it's called at Louis Vuitton. It has a zipper on top, and I usually keep my like ID, cards, maybe coins in there if I have it, or cash, but that's usually what's in here, and I just put it in my bag. So that's what's in my Chanel bag. Okay, the other thing I have in here was some jewelry. I had this bag from day to night. So I think I had my earrings in there, and then I put them on later on. And I have like a necklace in here. I couldn't figure out which necklace I wanted to wear today. So when I left the house, I brought this necklace, which is like a little tennis necklace, and then my Dior necklace. And I was like, you know what? I think I like it because the heart matched the heart earrings. So I was like, just in case if I want to switch it up, I had the option. So yeah, this is what I brought. And I like to have these little baggies too when I'm washing my hands. I'll put my jewelry in it, so you know it doesn't get wet or anything. And then I'll just put my lotion on and let it dry. Then I put my jewelry back on. So that's why I usually carry a little baggie anyways. But this one also had jewelry in it. And then I have my phone was in my bag. You know, when you have those nice dinners where you just want to like focus on the food and focus on the person you're with, or you know, you want no distractions. Okay, you want to just enjoy your meal without any distractions. So it was in my bag. Another thing that I had in my bag was a perfume sample. This is one of my favorite perfumes. It's by Louis Vuitton, and it's called Symphony. If you want to know more about this perfume, because I highly recommend it, I have a video that talks all about it, like the notes. And y'all, if you want to get compliments, if you want to get those long hugs where they're just like, oh, I don't want to let you go because you smell so good, it's this one. It's this fragrance. So I never really have to like respray it. Once I spray it, I'm usually good all day. The tip is to spray it on your clothes. So if you can spray it on your clothes, it usually lasts a little bit longer, or at least it lasts for most of the day for me. But just in case you feel like it kind of wears off, because after a while you're gonna get used to your own scent, so you're not gonna smell it, you know, after a while. But when you walk by people, they're like, ooh, you smell amazing. Symphony by Louis Vuitton. That's what I'm wearing, and that's what was in my bag. And then the other thing I have in my bag is this. It is a purse holder. So I'm so glad I had it. I'm starting to carry it more and more, because you go to a restaurant or go to places where you don't want to put your bag on the bar or on the table. It's not always good etiquette to do that. So you have a little bag carrier, bag holder that you can kind of clip to the edge of the table, and it will hold your bag, and so it will be out of the way. I love this one. Let me show you what it looks like. Here it is. It's by Carrier, and it's just a gold bag holder. You pull it out and like that, and then you just prop it on the table, and then it just holds your bag. And I like it. Just very sturdy, and it's chic and nice. I make sure when I take everything out my bag at the end of the day, I take this out and put it to the side, so I know to put it in my new bag that I'm gonna carry the next day, because I'm not gonna carry the same bags. I try to switch up my bags. The bags that I have can get a nice rotation, because I do have quite a few bags. That's a way for me to really utilize my bag. But yeah, that's my tip. Just make sure to take this out and put it someplace like by the door usually. So when I'm putting in my keys and like my little wallet, I'm also putting this in there. So yep, that is what I have in my bag. Let's see what else I have in my bag. It's in the front zipper compartment, and it is a compact mirror. I think I've showed this before because I got it recently, and it is a little compact mirror that's like a little laptop. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I'll link it below in case, you know, it's your first time seeing it. But yeah, it's just like you take out your little compact mirror, type, put on your lip gloss, check to make sure everything's okay. There's no food in your teeth. Good. Log off, close it up, and then put it in your bag. Okay, I don't really do all that, but I do open it up, and every time I open it up, it just puts a little smile on my face. It's a little cute keyboard. I might be tempted to do this, you know, after I've checked to see what I'm doing. and then close it and put it in my bag. But yeah, I love this little compact mirror. And I have so many compact mirrors, but this is the one that just, it gives me joy. Also, when I'm just checking to see if my lip gloss is okay, if I have no food in my teeth. I just love this little compact mirror. So yeah, that's in my bag. And last but not least, what's in my bag, and I usually take this out at the end of the day as well when I'm wearing this particular bag, it is the bag expander. The thing that goes at the bottom of your bag to make it like more usable, or you can put more things in your bag. So yeah, I usually take this out so it's not permanently expanded when I'm putting it away, just in case I don't use it for a week. Take the base shaper out from the bottom and I'll just kind of slide it back in the bag so I remember to use it again, but it won't be there like in its place. Like it won't be, you know, extending the base of the bag. That was everything that was in my bag. Yeah, I love, you know, carrying things light. I don't want to have too many things. I don't need like all the weight down on my shoulder or anything like that. Lasted me from day to night. Those are the things that were in my Chanel bag. If you like to see me do another one, like what's in my other bags, I mean, sometimes it's the same, but it really depends on the side of the bag, because the bigger the bag for me, the more I try to stuff things in there, which is really bad. I should not be trying to put so much in my bag just because it's a bigger bag, but that's what just tends to happen. So that was everything that was in my Chanel bag. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and then hit the notification bell so you can be informed when I drop a video, because I drop a video every week. Thank you so much for watching this all the way through and supporting my channel, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.